All right, we are at Dolphin Dock deep sea fishing. We're going to take off here shortly, going on a 36-hour fishing trip. About to start boarding the boat over here, and yeah, going to go try to chase some tuna and other cool species today. Nice weather on a Saturday here in Port Aransas. Should be a good fishing day. Got about 20-something people going with us, and yeah, we're going to get loaded up, and then it'll be about a 10-hour boat ride out to our fishing grounds. Yeah, bottom or top right here.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Until you see her, you'll agree. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Wait until you see her. A, B, C, D for me. My hometown gal. I got a gal. A, B, C, D. Wait until you see her, you'll agree.
I had a nice good shot like this. I thought I was doing video with picture mode. Oh, sorry, man.
I got a gal.
Man, you go to bed now.
Wait until you see her. A, B, C, D for me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Wait until you see her, you'll agree. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, for me.
Very nice. All right, got that plus that. Oh, you're good, man. Very cool.